Hi Year 3 and welcome to Maths. So this week we are talking about Mrs. Cruison's Witch. We're talking about money. If only we could just kind of find it around and that would be it. That's pretty much all I own. But anyway, money. First lesson today, we are going to just remind ourselves of the coins. Remember, no such thing as a 3p. So we're going to remind ourselves of the coins, the order of which they are. So we've got a 1p, 2p, little 5p, 10p, 20p, 50p, £1. We also have a £2 coin. I don't have one. No, I don't have one. It looks like this, but bigger. It's like a £1 coin, but bigger, so it's bigger in size. And then we have a £5 note, which is blue and green. A £10 note, so the £5 note is smaller than this. £10 note, £20 note, and there is such a thing as a £50 note, which is pink, a reddy pink one. I don't have one of those lying around. So familiarise yourself with the coins first of all. That's your first task. There's 2 warm-up sheets. They shouldn't take you very long. But as with everything, we haven't done money for a while. And as I always say when we're talking about money, these days, we don't use coins and notes as often as we used to. Because do you know how I pay for most of my things now? With my phone. Or if I don't have my phone, maybe a card. But even a card, I don't use that often. So we don't handle coins as often as we used to. And so because of that, actually, it's not unusual for people to make mistakes and say, well, if I wanted to make 26p, I'd use a 20 and 6p. But there isn't a 6p. You'd have to make up the 6p with the appropriate coins, maybe a 5 and a 1 or 3 2s. So the first 2 sheets on Shobi, I'm going to share my screen with you. Just to work through. First, there's a quick video for you to watch if you want to be a bit more familiar about the coins, because you see how many 1p's you'd need to make up a £50 note. Okay, that's quite interesting. It also talks about the history of coins. Your warm-ups, count up how much money is in the jar. Remember to include the pound and the decimal point. You don't need the P symbol in this one. And the next one is drawing the notes and coins that you'd need to make the totals in the money jars. So there are two worksheets to do. The third task is a game. Okay, so when you're on here, there's a link to a game and it's converting between pounds and pence and vice versa. So you simply click on the link. Now, if for any reason your link doesn't work, I have put on a link here for a worksheet to convert pounds and pence. So if your link to the game doesn't work, I have put a worksheet on for you to do something similar. Groan, sorry. But hopefully you'll just get to play the game instead and just do a few rounds of the game just to get used to it. So here we go. Click on the link to the game and it will take you here. And all you need to do is choose your timer up here. So at the moment it's on 1 minute. You can change it to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. And you're going to answer as many questions as you can. And you press enter when you've put your answer in. So this one says £6.66, convert to pence. So I've used my keyboard. I want to change it to pence. So we remember there's 100 pennies in a pound. So I need to think, oh, right, so 666p. And I press enter. Oh, yes, I got it right. £2.87 to pence. Convert to pence. 287p. I have to remember my unit of measurement. Press enter. Yes. £5.55. 555. Oh, I forgot my p. 555p. Yes. £2.53. 253p. Yes. 913p convert to pounds. Right, so this time I need to add in my pound sign, which is on here. You can just click it, or you can do shift and number 3. So £9, I need a decimal point, 13, enter. 48p to pounds. Now I haven't got any pounds on this one, so I need to click my pound sign. I don't have any pounds, I'm going to put none. Oh, my minute's up. But I'd have put 0, decimal point, and 48. Now I was going quite slowly there, and just to give you an idea, there's a tablet version as well. You can restart. You can do it for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you want. So there you go. Hopefully you'll have a bit of fun with that. If it doesn't work, like I say, don't worry. You can just do the worksheet. It's exactly the same principle. It's just you're writing it down on a piece of paper. Right, that's it for today. Hope you have a great maths lesson and enjoy the money, money, money. Bye.